this is your naked 125 Honda. What this is to get you into motorcycling. It is a 125cc fuel-injected computer-controlled engine, so very reliable. It's been around for quite a while. You do get monobolt brakes for a 125, so the brakes are actually quite good. And you do get these nice forks here. You get anti-lock brakes as standard. Naked bike, so nice touch here by Honda with the intake. You do get, I think you do get LED headlight, which is at this price point is pretty good. It's pretty well put together, to be honest. Naked bike, so you're not going to get any wind protection. You're not going to get any fairings, so you will get a lot of buffeting on a bike like this, but it will give you at least 60 mpg, so very cheap to run, which is good. Tax is going to be cheap, parts are going to be cheap, and at this price point you can get a TFT for a 125, which is nice. Nice to have a TFT for a 125. And you do get a horn, you've got your dip beam, main beam, and the mirrors. Mirrors, good size. Seat actually looks pretty comfortable. Handlebars are nice and straight, so very comfortable for just doing some miles on. And it looks like these are Showa front forks, so they're actually very good forks. So you will get a nice ride out of this 125. Nice that the exhaust as well is tucked away the way it is, just to keep the design as clean as possible.